What? Come, get a dose of death. I'm classy, never run the streets red. Been bougie before the word was said. Your boyfriend, but she had me instead. Never ordinary, that's a skin routine. Flights overseas and I never go cheap. Tick up like a cup of cornmeal. Subscribe, like, comment before you leave. Yeah, I'm whack. But rule number one, guys, please hit that subscribe button right down there and the like button too. And at the end of the video or even during the video, you can just leave a comment and give me your feedback, heads up. If you are a new subscriber, let me know below. Today, I'm gonna help you guys brush your teeth. Which toothbrush do you want to use? I'm so funny. I'm so whack. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the best way to clean these. What do you guys even call them? Like edge control brushes? Yeah, edge styler, baby hair comb. I don't even know. I wonder what most people call them. I just call them the brush. Or like the toothbrush, the edges brush. What do I even call them? I don't know. Leave a comment below and tell me what you guys call these. So either you buy the ones from the hair store with the actual toothbrush thingy and the comb, or you go to the original toothbrush. So the ingredients that you're gonna need, right? You're gonna need Dawn dish soap. Then you're gonna need rubbing alcohol. I got this from the dollar store, guys. And you're gonna need like like a stick, toothpick, I don't know, anything you want, something like this, anything to do the job. So what you're gonna do, right? I wish you guys could see. I really like when you guys see me mix these things, but my table is so low. I swear, I'm gonna hold it up. I'm gonna hold it up for you. So we're going to add our alcohol, right? And put like just enough to soak like the tip in there. And then, guys, I feel like Dawn soap just works well for everything. I saw these TikToks that people put them in their laundry, like to make your whites whiter. I'm gonna try it. Maybe I should try it. I haven't tried that yet. And then I'm gonna add just a bit of Dawn soap in here. Swirl, 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 swirl. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna clean all of them. I'm gonna check if I have any more so I don't waste the alcohol. And I'm gonna stick them in here. Let it sit, let it simmer, and then we'll be back in about 2 hours. So this is like just a short video. Oh, I can also show you guys the edge control I use. So I use this one. I don't know if you're seeing it. Yeah. I've actually had this for so long. I'm sure these things must expire. But I've been using it. It says 12 months on it. I've had this for well over a year. Probably 2-3 years. And look how much I have. It even comes apart like this all the time. But I still have a lot. Like, I don't use that much edge control all the time. But this now, guys. Top pick. So it's not the one that you always see at the hair store. I got this one in Jamaica. It's different. I don't know where, but I can never find it at the hair store here. They're different. It's the same brand, but this one is a gel. The one that's here is more like an edge control, because I remember when my mom showed me it, right? I'm like, no, that's not good for hair. Like, it doesn't work for my hair. And then I went there and I tried it, and I realized there's a difference. This is the gel. So the gel form works amazing. That's what I use to do my hair. Yeah, guys, do not judge the hairstyle Look at the ghetto-ness. This is my first time attempting to box braid my hair, like myself. I did it myself. Look at this. There's all different type of sizes up in here. The ends are whack, but I did something. I mean, I think it looks okay from a distance. Like if you're paying too much attention to it, then you see it, but I think it looks okay. Like these parts, like I don't even know. Okay, this is what I was trying to do. You know that style that I should probably insert like some sort of picture or something. You know when they have the crisscross thing, whatever going? So I'm like, oh, I'm gonna try it. So I tried it and I realized it wasn't working out. So I just left this side. I couldn't bother to take it out. Then I started to work around it. Then I'm like, oh, my forehead is big, so I'm gonna do some type of braid thing with bangs. So that's why I kind of started to curve a little, because I like cut out these bangs thing and I was gonna bring it down to this side. And that's why I started shaping all type of ways, all different type of sizes. Like, let me see if I can find like the different sizes. Like, look at this, guys. Look at this. This one is like all big and fat, then this one is all thin. Like, clearly I don't know how to do this, but something is something. I didn't want to like waste new packs of braids, so I just used like my leftovers from when I did my hair with like the purple last year, and I mixed it with a little bit of black. And yeah, you know, I'm a trying young lady, so I tried it. Tell me if you guys like it, if I should attempt again. This is so bad. Look at this. Again, we're not going to zoom in. We're looking at a distance. Why does sun have to come up when I want to make my video and ruin my background? It's okay, ignore it. Focus on me. Focus on me. So I will be back in 2 hours. We're gonna let this soak. Yeah, and I'm gonna look for some more, so I'll be right back, guys. Now I have to take a little food break. Guys, I love chicken. I don't know. I always want to be like a vegetarian, but it's so hard. Like, I love wings so much. It's hard. Talking about this, I need to get back in the gym. Okay guys, so it's been like an hour and a half ish. I didn't wait the full 2 hours, and I think it's ready. Like, I don't think it really needs the full 2 hours. I think even an hour is fine. And then I end up finding like a total of 4 of them. I didn't soak this part yet. I think I'm just gonna wipe this out because it's not that bad. But this one, I should have took it before. This one was so dirty. You can see the hair just sticking off, and that's why you'll need a toothpick. But this was the original one. Remember, it was like all sticky and like stiff and whatever. And look how loose it is. Like, it's so loose now. Everything just came off in the alcohol. Sorry. So what we're gonna do, oh, let me show you how dirty the water, I keep saying water, the alcohol is. I don't spill it on myself. Can you guys see? I hope I don't spill it. Yeah. So now I have clean, this is just water in here. I'm gonna put it in here, and you just take the toothpick, you just go like this and take out any excess hair that may be trapped in. You guys can see that. And then you just get like a rag or a napkin, like a paper towel or anything, and then you're good to go. You just let that dry. So it's that simple. Just soak in alcohol and wash it off, and it's brand new. Works like a charm, guys. Works like a charm. Let me show you. Oh, I'm like spilling it. Okay, so there's one that's like really bad. I found it like at the bottom of my drawer, so don't judge me, guys. Should I even show you? This one looks so gross. I'm like, this one is about just gonna go in the garbage because this one is just think it's just one of those that I had for years. I don't know. Should I show you guys? It's so embarrassing. Look at this one, guys. This is so gross. But let's see. Let's see what it looks like when I pluck it off. This looks so black. Guys, I don't know what I was using this to do. Ew, look how much hair that is. Look how much hair came out. Oh my gosh, that's so gross. Well, this goes to show that it works. It breaks everything apart. And then the only thing it leaves over is the hair. So look at that clump of hair. Yeah, it works. That's all you need to know. We're gonna put everything else in the garbage. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video very useful, and I hope it helps you guys as well. It has been a blessing for me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye till next time.
I'm getting it. I'm tired. I'm annoyed here.
What?
Come, get a dose of Dev. I'm classy, never run the streets red. Been bougie before the word was said. Your boyfriend, but she had me instead. Never ordinary, that's a skin routine. Flights overseas and I never go cheap. Tick up like a cup of cornmeal. Subscribe, like, comment before you leave.